Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on the Airbnb app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your name on the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb, then click on Profile in the bottom right hand corner, then go ahead and click on Account Settings. Afterwards, click on Personal Information, and then this is where you're going to be able to change your legal name and your preferred name. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your name on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.